Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. HIVE Digital's compliance failure highlights the growing regulatory friction in the crypto mining sector. The company missed its 10Q filing deadline, citing a massive 765.6 million Swedish kronor Swedish VAT dispute. While preliminary revenue reached $79 million, the bottom-line impact remains unquantified. This delay underscores the precarious financial position of miners navigating complex European tax laws. In the broader tech landscape, Apple is accelerating its artificial intelligence strategy. The latest update allows Siri to access real-time news, marking a significant shift in its AI capabilities. This move signals deeper integration of generative AI into core user experiences. Investors are watching closely as Apple trades at $302.25, pricing in expectations for sustained growth in services and hardware upgrades driven by AI features. Meanwhile, global trade flows are shifting toward niche markets. Chinese exporters are increasingly targeting halal food and cosmetics. This pivot aims to capture share in the $2 trillion global halal market. Success here hinges on building trust infrastructure, not just price competitiveness. For global supply chains, this represents a strategic realignment toward religious compliance and cultural specificity in emerging economies. Regulatory hurdles continue to stifle crypto innovation in the United States. The Office of the Comptroller of the Currency returned Zerohash's application for a U.S. trust bank charter on July 17. The rejection cited material deficiencies in the application. This decision halts Zerohash's bid to join Morgan Stanley's custody network. It sends a clear message that traditional banking standards remain rigid for crypto entrants. On the commodity front, agricultural markets reacted sharply to government data. Corn futures surged after the USDA's August WASDE report cut 2026-27 yield projections. The downward revision sparked immediate buying pressure in agri-commodity portfolios. Traders are now analyzing the impact on the Ethereum corn fund, corn. Supply concerns are driving volatility, with implications for global food inflation and livestock feed costs. Looking ahead to today's release, the economic calendar remains relatively quiet. There are no major high-impact releases scheduled within the next 36 hours that would significantly alter market sentiment. This absence of data allows current trends to play out without immediate macroeconomic shocks. Investors are using this lull to digest the corporate earnings and regulatory developments from the past week. The interplay between regulatory pressure in crypto, AI integration in tech, and supply shifts in agriculture defines the current market narrative. HIVE Digital struggles contrast with Apple's strategic advancements. Chinese trade pivots offer long-term opportunities, while Zerohash's rejection highlights short-term barriers. Corn futures provide a snapshot of commodity volatility. Market participants should monitor these developments closely. Regulatory clarity in crypto remains a key variable. Apple's AI execution will determine its next growth phase. Agricultural supply chains are sensitive to weather and policy. The lack of major economic data means technical factors and news flow will drive price action. Stay informed. The market moves fast. News breaks quickly. Data releases shift trends. Regulatory decisions create winners and losers. Corporate strategies define valuations. Global trade patterns evolve constantly. Commodity prices reflect real-world supply and demand. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.